Hello, in this video I'm gonna tell you when to replace the dust bag inside of the charging base on ROBOROCK QRevo Curv. So you are not notified when this bag gets full, but it is recommended to replace it or clean it, empty it every month. Although I think that you can do that less frequently. It depends on the area of your house and also on how frequent do you use the robot. So if you don't use it too frequently and your house isn't too big, then you don't need to replace it every month. You can just replace it less frequently, and there's a way to check it if it's full. So you can just open this lid right here, then take this top lid out, and here is the dust bag. So you can just use your hand to check if it's full. If it is, then it's ready for replacement, and based on that you can just calculate for the future how frequently should you replace your dust bag. And that's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.